Hello my friends and welcome to Budget and Planning with Manya. Today is the 17th of January, so we're doing the third week of January for my budget plan weekly. Okay, this is different than the happy planning with me sticker thing that I usually do. This is something that I'm dedicated with, whether I feel sick, good, bad, doesn't matter. It's happening because this is so important for me to stick in with my budget and no spending and be very strict because I'm trying to catch up with all of our bills. We literally live paycheck to paycheck right now, and our paychecks were really sour looking at the beginning of the year, and at the end of the year of 2019 it was awful, you guys. But if you've been with me throughout this whole thing, you'll see how I managed to do things. Hopefully this week's paycheck is going to be a lot better than it was the past 2 weeks. I'm telling you guys. Anyways, here's my monthly bills right here. Everything. I've canceled certain things. This was week 1, which was really bad. If you hadn't seen it, make sure to look at my playlist. I will have it at the end and I will have it linked down below for my budget planning weekly. So if you honestly want to see a real on budget for a weekly with real numbers and how people actually do it, they're not made up things, there's a real on thing, you could see it. This was week 2. I paid the rent. It was late. They waived the fee. The girls were so nice. I'm not sure if they're going to be able to do anything next month about it, but I don't think we'll be late next month. I think we should be totally fine to pay for that. Anyhow, let's continue. Yeah, you see food and the kids, because I had to buy diapers and then gas. I literally filled up only for $10. And I had a little bit of cash left and things came out. But I had $1 something left in my bank account. Here's the week, things that we need to pay. We have a lot of expense coming in next week. So that's going to come out of this paycheck, the 24th, which is going to be a circus show, because I also have my insurance, which bumped up because I had to switch around the dates. Usually my insurance comes out by the 14th of each month, but that had happened. So that's a lot of fun. And also, yeah, a lot of adjustments, and those adjustments made me lose money basically, because you move your bills around, they'll give you a fee, sometimes they'll waive your fee. Anyhow, it's a mess of all sorts until we get our tax return and until I'm able to file anything. I'm waiting for one more pay stub for W-2 from a previous job that Ryan had. Anyways, I hadn't done any of these. I will do that at the end of the month, and I will be doing the expense track, this right here, absolutely. And then I will be doing this for the following month. And next month is a really big month. My little boy is going to be 1 year old, and I want to splurge about $150 on his birthday. We do want to get him some gifts, and thanks to family and friends, we got a couple of gifts for him. And we do want to get a cake for him, and I want to do DIY photo shoot for a smash cake, because for Emma's first birthday we went out and we had money and we did a lot, and we were in another state where we had family and friends. Anyhow, let's get into this, you guys. Okay, here's the way I broke down my bills for the month, and I canceled that. We canceled Xbox, so, and my GOP is still the same, the Georgia Power, because it's always a guessing game with them. They don't have a set amount, but it's been low. Let's see, what else did I get rid of? Yeah, our budget for the home and food went down extremely. This week is going to be a little bit more, you guys, because I'm out of formula, I'm out of body wash, shampoo, you name it. We don't have any certain things, so it's going to be more. I already know that. And we need a lot more milk. So you have 2 little kids, that need to eat. My daughter is extremely picky, you guys, extremely picky. This is from last week's. I'm just putting it there, and I like the way I did this right here. And then at the end of the year, as I was saying, I will, at the end of the year, you see what I'm saying, you guys? It's way too early. At the end of the month, because the last paycheck of January 2020 is the 31st. So like on Saturday that week, I'm going to go over everything that I've spent. And that will be fun to see what I actually spent and what you do when you actually need to budget, you know. Week number 3. January 17th. Okay, 2020. You know me, you guys, I like to do this. I'm gonna use my combos. Okay, divide it as usual, because that's how I like to do things. And I think we're gonna, because I know it's gonna be a lot more. All right, and expected amount. I'm gonna use marker. Expected. I'm expecting $700, you guys. Right here, because I keep losing it. So I have water and sewer. Usually I pay them together with my rent for $12.60, because I know it's usually about 60 something dollars, and I've been usually paying 65 and stuff through, you know, always. But I had to pay my rent last week in a separate amount, and the girls have been so nice. I put 69, but actually it's $62. So I know because I went in and they told me 62. Because I've been putting like 65 each month. So credit it. I have ACMA, which is our furniture loan. I can't wait to get rid of that thing. It's like a nightmare. Not the couch, but the loan. And then I have Rent-A-Center for my computer. I had no other choice, so I had to get it. When you have bad credit, you guys, that's what happens. 32, 31. And then, what else is coming out? I know Internet, Xfinity. Is $30. And then I know that cell phones, T-Mobile is, they're taking out today $159. And I'm paying more because there's a late fee and because I took it from automatic payment because I can't afford right now. Once we get our tax return, once I find out how much we're getting, I'm planning to get a month for all the bills so I don't have to go and pay this little fees. And Ryan keeps asking me, why do you want to be a month ahead? Why? Because I don't want to be paying fees. You know, our bill could go from $159 to $140 easily, you know? All right. So, doctor, GYN, this is, I pay $167. Oops. $167 a month. So for OBGYN, I usually pay $167 a month, and this is every time I see them. I am 23 and a half weeks pregnant right now. On Sunday, which will be the 19th, I'll be at 24 weeks. Yay! It's for my deductible for me to have the C-section, for me to deliver the baby. And then we're going to a doctor, dermatologist. So Ryan needs to see a dermatologist. He's been in the sun a lot, so yeah, he needs to go see the doctor. Anyhow, where is the copay? Is $60. I already know that's gonna come out. And then Ryan needs, he needs $25 because he just needs cash a week because you know, if he needs to buy coffee or something like that. I feel so bad. He doesn't have that, you know. This is a need. This is a want, basically. If I don't have it in my budget, I can't give it to him. But I'm gonna try to give him $25. All right, let's move on. What else do I have? So now for food and stuff, the fun part. So for food, oh, you can't see that at all. Okay. Baby, your clothes are on the bed. For food, I have no idea where it's gonna be, but I know for kids and then for gas, we need to put fuel, the full tank, you know, so that's gonna be $30. Because we're gonna go down to the city and gonna do all that fun stuff. No. He just came in and did that. He's not getting that. Maybe if your paycheck will be like $1,000 a week, maybe, you know? Yeah. Keep pushing. 125 a week. What do you need 125 for a week for?
Just a little joke ski.
He's just a little joke ski.
Just a little joke ski.
So Jacob's formula is about $20, you guys. So I know if I buy a bigger one from Sam's Club, it'll be cheaper, but $23 or $24. Anyways, food. I have no idea. It's a guessing game right there. Food at home. I'm saying like $100 right now, cause you know, cause we have nothing. Totally out of everything, everything, including meat, including milk, and we need like 3 gallons of milk, apparently. And I'm sorry for the noise in the background. My husband's getting ready for work. Anyways, let's calculate this mess and let's take a look at the bank account, okay? And see what we actually got. Drum roll, you guys. Ryan always wonders how I do my budget weekly thing. He gets to see it. Oh, okay. Good. Thank God. Thank you. Thank you, honey.
It's not that I wonder how you do it. It's I wonder if you do it.
Oh, no, I do it. Okay, so he got paid. I'll put it in a nice purple. So I was expecting $700 on a minimum, right? So the amount is $747 and 63 cents. We gotta put the cents in, right? Make us feel like we're rich. Okay, so we had $1.32 in a bank account. $1.32. Okay, and so total that we have available for us. So we had 700. We have 748.95. Okay, that's what we've got. But you remember, I gotta save up money so I could pay next week's bills and make sure that I'm not late on my rent, because I cannot afford a $150 fee. Okay, let's calculate all this mess, you guys. It's 5:57 a.m. right now. 62 plus 31.78 plus 31 plus 30 plus 159 plus 167 plus 60 plus let me do these numbers first, the necessities, and I'll bump this up to 25 because I know that the formula is, I'm gonna buy a bigger package from Sam's Club, and I know it's about $22 or $23 versus buying 32 ounces at Walmart for 19. Yeah, 48 ounces lasts me a lot more. Plus 100 for groceries, plus 25, plus 30 for gas, plus, okay, he could have his 25. So 722 total, okay? So total for everything, including what Ryan gets. But then, like, I know next week we're gonna go down to the city. Well, not to the city, we are in a city, but I mean, like, we're in Savannah, everything's here. But I know we're gonna go out, so we're not gonna, I don't know. I might not be able to do that. We'll see. I will try to save money from here. The food, because we're gonna be at the doctor's all day. I'm sure we'll want to stop at McDonald's or something because the kids need to eat and we're gonna eat. We'll probably get something to eat inexpensive. So I'm gonna try to budget 125 in total for food. Really well. I really want to give him this because he really, you know, maybe I'll mind it. Maybe I'll do $15. We'll see. This is what's adjustable right here. Right here. I'm gonna put it like that, you guys. Okay. This is it, you guys, for this week. I'm breathing a little bit better because it's a little bit more than what I usually get. You know, I'm hoping the following week is going to be the same. Probably not, because he's going to have a day off. Well, as I said, at the end of the month, on the 31st, when I do my last paycheck for the month of January, that same weekend, I am going to do like what was spent and the expense tracker and what went where and how I made it work. So that's going to be an interesting video. I'm still working on the video for you guys where our money went last year. I'm trying to find the courage to do it because it's a lot. And I'm trying to do no spend as far as going out. This year is going to have to be very careful. I have to be very careful with our budget for the next 2 weeks because the rent is due the first week of the month. And on top of that, Jacob's birthday is that week. So his birthday is on the 6th of February. And I really want to be able to get him a cake and to do like a little DIY photo shoot for Smash Cake. And we don't have a lot of friends here in Savannah, but definitely want to do something fun for him. And we do want to get him a couple of toys that I know that he would love. He's into soccer balls right now, and he's a typical boy, okay? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Comment down below. Let me know who you are. Introduce yourself. Please subscribe. It helps me a lot. I am over 25 subscribers, which is crazy because I didn't expect that. But thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will be posting my next video on Sunday with Plan With Me for the 4th week of January for the Happy Planner stickers and stuff like that. Not my budget, okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.